everyone. I just want to show you to all of you my place here in Payatas. This is the highway go to Montalban, and I have a 3 bodyguard here. My auntie, my another auntie, and of course my mom. They're always my tail wherever I am there. So that's the highway to go to Quezon City, and I'm going to show you everybody where is the Smoky Mountain in Payatas, which is it's Smoky Mountain and dam site. I know it's the same. My mother correct me. So I hope everybody can see over there. That's the sun. My auntie said the Smoky is in Tondo, Manila, and this is the dam site in Quezon City. I'm going to show you everybody. Hope that's now it's already going to be 5:35 p.m. Wednesday, and hope everybody can see the Smoky Mountain of the dam site. Is that because all houses here are big. You cannot see a slum area here unless I go down there. That's the dam site. Everybody can see. Side of this place is the La Mesa Dam, and where the whole Metro Manila will get the water. So this is a watershed. That you can see the fence, the hollow block fence is a fence for the La Mesa Dam. La Mesa Dam is one dam, water dam, Manila water system. So that's the. Hope everybody enjoy. Let's go walking. Let's go walking. So this hollow block fence is La Mesa Dam fence. So it's a watershed of La Mesa Dam, and you can see it's a big ipil tree over there. The whole Metro Manila will get the drinking water here, and it's purified already when we go. So this is our water system, the NAWASA, that's they call it NAWASA, National Authority Water System in Metro Manila. It's called La Mesa Dam. See you soon, my next video. Bye bye everyone. Parang ulit sayo kaya. Sayo ka. Sayo ka. Si Sheila nga. Sheila, sayo ka dali. Nagbibideo ako. Kasi ganyan muna. Dali na. Puta, hindi ka pabalasing niya. Grabe, di ba? Paano naman? Sabi nga nung ibang kanong, saya naman Rona dyan. May isang kano, darating ng December pagdating ko at gusto makisali sa atin. Saya na, Miles! daughter. What surprise for her? Sayaw, Sheila. Sayaw, Sheila. Sayaw ka. Oo nga. Ayan na. Bibigyan ko kayo pamasko. Ito. Papanoorin natin mamaya sila. Sabi ni Bunsoy, ano ba nangyari sa inyo? Ano bang nainom nyo? Bakit nagkaganyan kayo? Nagsisinayon. Ay, mga anak ni Ibito. Ala, sige. Sparring sa YouTube din to. Sige. Ayan na, dance. Sige. Hindi pa yan nakainom si Nick. Sige.
Hindi ko yung ginagawa, makita ng mga hitang ko. Sila yung kanina.
Hindi na